Hello everyone, this is Amit Don. Today I'll show you how to use this Chromebook split screen. So there are more than one ways to use split screen on a Chromebook, and today in this video I'll show you only one way. For other ways you can visit the Tiny Chromebook tips and tricks playlist in the description box below. So I have two windows open. One is my YouTube homepage, which is right here, and then the other window I have is the Google News, which is right here. So to use a split screen, all you have to do, if you take a look on the keyboard, there is the show windows button, which is right here. So if you click on it, then you can see that you can preview these windows together. So if you'd like to keep them open, you can just use this way, or if you'd like to enlarge them further, then if you hold your trackpad or mouse and just drag any one of the to the right, then you can see that on the right there's kind of like highlighted portion asking you to drag here to the split screen. So if you just take this screen, either you drag it here to put it in the put it on the right, or if you just drag it here to put it on the left, then it's going to be split in half. So let's do that. Now you can see that you have a split screen on the right, and then the other one is still small, and if you'd like to make it bigger, you can just do the same thing. Hold the trackpad or mouse button and drag it to the right, and you can see that it's getting highlighted, and now they're just split screen on the left and right. Now if you'd like to further maneuver the size, then you can just use this drag highlighted bar in the middle, and then let's say if you'd like to go back to the previous view, you can just click on the show windows button, and you can see that they're getting going back to the same place when they were before. Now if you just like to click one of them, then it's going to come back to the original like in half a screen mode. And if you like to go to full screen, then you can just click the maximize button here, or you can just click the maximize button here. So this is another way to use split screen on your Chromebook. For the next Chromebook tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.